this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving an 87 Chevy K20, 350 4-speed. Drives down the road nice and good. Steering wheel's good and straight. The truck can just drive the way it is, or if you want to work on it, stair step it up to as far as you want, as far as what level it is. Just a good cheap 4-wheel drive if you just want to use it for that. Missing the speedometer needle. The odometer does work. Believed to be actual miles, but no documentation. So, and the heater fan of ours doesn't work. So, but drives down the road nice. We'll turn around here and I'll shift through the 4-speed gears for you. They're downshifted into third. Second. Shifts nice and smooth. So, drivetrain seems really good and strong on this truck, and actually the cab's nice and tight. A little bit of wind noise going against the 20-mile-an-hour wind, but nice driving truck. 605-695-7399.